How do I get PayPal email address? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can find email addresses on PayPal. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to log in into paypal.com. So open up a browser, type in paypal.com and make sure that you're logged in with your credential. So once you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. At the top section there is a menu bar. Now to get or to find your email addresses, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now you land on your account page. Under the account page, you will find all of your account information, and there you will have a section as emails. As you can see here, there is a section for emails, and under this section you will find all your email addresses that is linked with your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.